Welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Here's a great question I got a couple weeks ago. Should you fire a client? Well, the answer is yes. Sometimes you have to fire a client, right? Because if you're listening to this, this will resonate if you've ever worked with clients that are a pain in the backside, right? They'll take up 80% of your time where all the rest of your customers take up like 15 to 20% of your time. Those are the ones that they're the headache client. They suck you dry. We've all had them. Those are the clients that you need to fire. There is no amount of money that should replace your insanity up here. There are times to fire clients, and you have to know when, because they will suck the life out of you. Fire them when they get to that point. We'll see you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear